Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Midnight Ace. To begin, you will need to understand the fundamental steps involved in acquiring this coveted item. We will cover preparing your character with the right equipment and skills, ensuring you are ready for the challenges ahead. Then, we will outline a precise, easy-to-follow strategy to guide you through the entire process, making your journey smooth and efficient. Before embarking on your quest for Midnight Ace, thorough preparation is key. First, ensure your character has reached at least level 50, as this unlocks the necessary questline. Next, you will need to gather 3 specific rare crafting materials, which can be found in the western regions. Finally, equip a weapon with a minimum power level of 200 to effectively handle the upcoming encounters. Now, let's dive into the actual quest steps. Begin by initiating the Shadow's Embrace quest, which you can obtain from the non-player character Lyra in the central hub. Your next task involves defeating 3 challenging minibosses located within the treacherous Whispering Caves. After overcoming these foes, proceed to the Sunken Temple and successfully solve the ancient riddle to advance. You are almost there. The final step involves confronting and defeating the formidable Night Weaver, the ultimate boss guarding the Midnight Ace. This battle requires precision and strategic thinking. Once the Night Weaver is vanquished, the Midnight Ace will drop as part of its loot. Congratulations! You have successfully acquired this powerful and unique item, ready to enhance your gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.